Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft 365 for free. This means you'll be able to use applications such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Forms, Sway, all for free. Now, this can be done in your web browser itself. I have my browser open and I'm going to go up to the search bar. Here I'm going to type in office.microsoft.com. office.microsoft.com. You can even look it up on Bing or on Google and see and use the link that shows up there. I'm going to press enter, and this takes me to the Office homepage. Now, to proceed from here, you'll have to go to the top right corner and select Sign In. This will take you to the Sign In page. Now, you will have to sign in with an existing Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a Microsoft account very easily by just clicking this link, and you can create one for free. Now, I have an account, so I am going to sign in. Once you have signed in, you will see a homepage that looks somewhat like this. Now, you might be wondering, why does it say subscribed over here? Well, that is because I have a Microsoft 365 subscription. Now, that does not matter because you will still be able to use all the features. The only major difference will be that you will receive 5 gigabytes of OneDrive storage, while I have 1.1 terabytes of OneDrive storage. The other difference is that you will not be able to install the desktop applications. Those require a Microsoft 365 subscription. But you will be able to use all the applications in the web, just as I am about to demonstrate. So let's look at the home page. Here you can see all your recently opened documents, and here you can create a blank document of any style. If I head under Create, I can see different templates that are available for documents, for Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel, and you can also filter it by types of documents depending on what you plan on creating. If I head under My Content, I can see all of my recently opened documents. Now, just like in the home page here, I said I can see recently opened documents. Yours will probably be blank because you have not used 365 yet. It will also be blank over here. So as you start creating more documents, you will see your recently opened documents here. Now, under apps, you will see the different apps that are available to you for use. Now let's look at these icons here. If I head to Word, I can see the Microsoft Word homepage. These are all my recently opened Word documents. You will also see your recently opened Word documents here, but you will not see OneNote, PowerPoint documents over here. From here, you can create any type of Word document. If you select See More Templates, you can see templates that are specific to Word documents. The same goes with Excel and PowerPoint. Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote will all open up in a separate tab. So let me open a new Word document to show you how it works. Here you'll be able to use all of the default Word features. There will be nothing that you are missing out on because you don't have 365, except for the fact that you have to use it in the web and you won't be able to get the desktop application. But you will be able to use all the web Word features. For example, here I can type anything. I can even format it, insert pictures. I can do everything over here in the web version. So you will also be able to use all of these features. I'm going to close this and I'm not going to save it because I don't need the document. Same goes with Excel. You can create a blank workbook, and here you will see your Excel workbook. You will be able to use all the Excel online features. You can also create a PowerPoint presentation. You'll be able to use all the online PowerPoint features as well. So that is how you can use all Microsoft 365 applications for free. You will get 5 gigabytes of OneDrive storage where you can store your documents, and you can use all of these applications in your web browser. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.